Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a modified likelihood ratio test of goodness of fit using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. I'm going to focus on how to perform the test, not so much if you should be using this test. My add-in is available at my GitHub account. Once you've downloaded it, you can open Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins and click on the Go button and then browse to where you downloaded that XLAM file from. Once installed, you have a lot of additional functions, and one of them will be ts mod log likelihood GOF, short for goodness of fit. I'll zoom in a little bit. The function requires data as a range, and it needs to be a vertical specified range, so do not select an entire column like this. If you want, you can actually feed it some expected counts for each category, so then you need two columns, one for each category and the expected count next to it. You can also specify the continuity correction that you want to use, either none of them, Yates, Pearson or Williams. Once you actually done so let me show you the example. I have here used the function, selected my entire range and didn't do any additional settings, and it immediately spits out the total sample size, the number of categories, the chi-square statistic, the degrees of freedom, which is actually the number of categories minus 1, the significance, also known as the p-value, the minimum expected count, the proportion of cells that was below 5, or having an expected count below 5, and a small description of the test that was used. Probably the most important is this number up here. If this is below a predefined threshold, usually 0.05, we would speak of a significant result, and in this case that would mean that not all categories will have the same count in the population. Alright, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.